video. I'll keep on being asked this question, even though I do have full tutorial how to do the enclosure installation with the foam gasket and everything, but this one is just a short one. So you got yourself the enclosure, you got the holes and the positions you like, you put it down, you mark the holes. Now next thing you need to do is you need to install the wooden insert. So when you tighten up the enclosure down to your deck using some bolts, then obviously you have somewhere to screw into. So I'm going to show you how I do it. Okay guys, so the depth is preset with the little hand tool DIY thing I've made using the bearing spacers. So now we're going to drill a hole. Clean it. Now you take the insert, the bolt, the nut, the washer. Washer is important. That's going to release the insert after you tighten up. This fixing method here is for the split insert. You don't want the bolt to travel too deep because it's going to start splitting the insert open. You want that happening when you actually tighten the bolt down for the first time. Next step, I'm going to apply just a dab of wood glue on the thread. It was pointed out to me, and I agree on the last video, that it's best to seal anything around that hole. So if you get any water on the bottom of your deck, it doesn't seep into unprotected wood. And now, using the ratchet, we're going to gently screw in the insert into the wood. Do not overdo it. You can feel kind of when it's not going anymore. And now this is where that washer comes in play. Now as soon as you reverse the bolt, washer, and the nut is just like a spacer really, comes right off. Now a bit of wet rag. That's it, you're done. And this is how you install the inserts into the deck the correct way. By the way guys, very useful tip. If you don't want the resin or lacquer flick out when you're using the big drill bit straight away, what I do use is one of these countersink tools right here. So what I do, I just soften up the resin or lacquer around the hole, and when you actually drill after, it doesn't flick the resin. So yeah, good tip.